Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be reviewing or drinking a dandelion flavored drink or burping, I don't know. Yo, look at that. It's totally timeless. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Well, let's crack it open and see how absolutely busting it is. Oh, damn. Fizzy. Kind of smells like the bubblegum, you know, the bubblegum flavor. Like when you have bubblegum from like the dairy or something, it smells like that. It's very brown, the liquid. It's like a Coca-Cola. I don't know. Ugh. It has the first taste like the bubblegum. You know, when you have like bubblegum from the dairy, it has that smell and taste for like a few seconds, and then has this like cough medicine aftertaste. Really weird. And also some dandelion in there, but it's not as much as I thought. I thought it'd be much better. So burdock is basically just like a bunch of like purple flowers, a blend of wild and truly dandelions and purple flowering. I don't know what that means. I chug some. And I'll go outside at this time. It's Kitty with you. It is fun. Look at the kitty. Meow. Well, as you can tell, it is the end of the video. I really thank you for watching me drinking soda. And of course, love you all.